Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Obviously you can see that I'm driving right now, but in this episode of MBI Motorsports we're heading down to grab the 302 motor for the 72 Bronco build. Super excited about this, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys shortly.
Afternoon, Jared.
Oh, what's that? It's like almost evening.
It is. So it's almost about 4:30 now in the afternoon. It'll be dark here probably in the next hour. What do we do today, Jared?
Well, we got that new motor, the 302 for the 72 build. Kind of a big day.
Right?
What else happened today?
Nothing.
You sure?
Nothing. Oh, we hit 1,000 subscribers.
So officially, well, until YouTube monetizes us, we hit our 4,000, what, 2 weeks ago? A week ago? I think it was last week.
Something. We're way over now.
Yeah, I think we're
plenty
like
of hours.
600 and hit 1,000 subscribers this morning on the way to get the motor. And yeah, so it's kind of a big day. You guys all know we've been waiting on the motor. Got it. Now we're gonna pick up the transmission, get the paint booth finished, get the frame painted, and assembled. So
I think we're gonna make some sort of pallet that we can use to drop motors on. That way our transfer will be a little bit better. Using an old tire on top of a pallet isn't the preferred method. You can see this motor, it's all completely refreshed, brand new pistons, everything inside. The only thing is the cast parts that were reused, the block and the heads, and they've been completely rebuilt, better than original factory. It's not some sort of big power monster, but a nice, reliable engine that will run for hopefully a good long time. So this is time to grab the forklift, get this thing out of here.
yep.
We have places to be in about half an hour that are about half an hour away.
That's true.
But yeah, it's been just a little short tidbit. Let you guys know what we did today. Nothing super exciting to show you, but hey, we're making progress. We're getting a lot closer to start the assembly on this Bronco. So see you guys soon. So soon enough, take that, put in here after it's painted, get that body up there, get it painted and thrown on. That's the big stuff. After that'll be all the finesse, the wiring, the plumbing, the interior, whatnot.
Oh, I can't see anything with that light off.
Probably not. I'm not turning the light on right now. It's time to go. Roscoe thinks he's gonna stay. He's up there laying in his bed. He just want to get away from his sister. What is she doing?
Chewing on that stuffing.
Roscoe teaches her bad habits. Just wants to eat all. They just want to kill it. Just want to kill all the foam, all the fuzz out of the toys. But wasn't something super amazing to probably a lot of you guys out there, but for us this was an accomplishment. You have no idea what a struggle it was for us to get this motor with the virus pandemic, because you can't say the C word.
Rona. Say Rona.
A lot of the shipping, whatnot, all that type of stuff, manufacturing of different things has been down, so it's been difficult for us to get some things. Like a motor apparently is you just can't get them. We thought we had one, got a notification it was supposed to be shipped, then a follow-up email a few days later saying oh, there is nothing to ship you. So that was a bummer. But yeah, so you guys saw what we did today. You know, we're going to be coming in the rest of this week and start getting some of the other stuff done, so we can start putting this Bronco together. But just a quick little update, show you guys what we did today. I mean, we're gone for 7 hours, 7-hour round trip to go grab this motor and get it up here, but well worth it. And an excellent motor builder. I think Jared's going to throw a few details up there on that. Real good guy. His prices are fair. So yeah, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.